Okay, hey ladies, y'all know what it is. It's a lace slay. What's up? What's up? What's up? What? She wet. Drip, drip. Okay, look. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to make this wig. I got a big distraction. I'm gonna get her when I finish. But y'all see this? Let me try to do a 360. I can't get all the way around because I'm like this thing gonna ring right over, but y'all get the message. So wait on it for the dry. Here's a small clip of how I did the color process. I will have the products in the description link. This is Onyx hair already bleached, combed, and laid out. I'm using 3 reds. I'm using a bright red, a burgundy red, and a intense red. I'm also using a neon pink. I'm going to put that pink in a different bowl, and I'm going to go ahead and start applying that red to the top of the track. I want a 2-tone effect, so I'm going to go ahead and do the red at the top and the pink at the bottom to give it a fade out look. It's going to be really, really pretty. Yes, you guys, I did bleach this hair. This hair is bleachable. And this is how the hair should look. And this is the hair when it's finished drying and all washed out and all that good stuff. Yes, honey. Let's get to this wig. So the first thing you want to do is, I use the beige cap to put under it because this one is a plastic cap. I would not recommend to get this one. They gave me the wrong one. But I got it for the lace on top. And I put a beige one under it. So I'm going to go ahead and place that on that mannequin stand that I told you guys you needed. And we're going to go ahead and grab some bundles and go ahead and start. So, well, Onyx hair, okay? So right here, we're just going to measure and shape. Measure up, measure up, measure up. Okay, guys? Okay, ladies, so we're going to use this white bonding glue. It's just easier than black glue to clean up if you make a mess. And it's time for me to get this wig done, y'all. Y'all see, I've been looking a hot mess out here in these streets. So let me get this wig done. Yeah, it's been rough. Look at that. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to open that glue up and we're going to start measuring those tracks and gluing those tracks onto the head. So right here, I'm going to go ahead and measure where I want to start. You want to kind of bring it up into a U shape. Just make sure you don't put the glue on the elastic band because you want to be able to stretch the cap onto your head. You don't want it to be stuck in place. I've done that plenty of times. You don't want to do that. Leave room for the stretchy part. So right here, I'm just going ahead and applying my glue to my track. I'm going to place it on my wig. And I'm going to take that handy dandy blow dryer. And I'm just going to dry it. Make sure it dries really, really nice. You don't want your wig falling apart before it's finished. Okay, you guys, so we good on that part. And we just gonna keep taking the tracks and gluing them up as usual. Like a regular glue in. It's just on the cap. That's it, that's all. Really simple. I'm gonna go ahead and speed through the process. You're just gluing the tracks on like a regular glue in, you guys. And you want to, when you get to that side part, you want to kind of curve that track to go towards the side part, just so it can lay flat. And I'm just blow drying every track I place down, just to ensure that the tracks will stick. And I also cut that plastic off as I went up, you guys, because let me give you an up-close shot. This is the closure, and this is the lace. I've already put my lace front glue on there, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and do the illusion part look. So let me start because the glue is already getting dry and tacky. So we're going to take the last pieces of our track. We're going to hold them together. I like to spritz mask a little bit just to kind of keep the hair in place. So we're gonna comb that straight out, and then I'm gonna double track it, and then I'm gonna take this end, start with little ends first. You're gonna cut it at the top. And what you wanna do is you wanna clean that out. Now we're just gonna do this side first. And we're gonna take and we're gonna line it up. Make sure you keep it sturdy in your hand. And you're gonna line it up. And then you're just gonna place it. And then you're just gonna lay it. So ladies, just keep tapping and making sure the tracks are on there good. That's all I'm doing is just tapping and making sure the hair is on good. I went ahead and sped it up a little bit. I will slow it back down for you guys so you can see exactly what I did. But right now I'm just tapping and tapping and tapping. So take that hair, cut it, and make sure it's all cut. And you just placing it up there. Top of that glue, and you're just gonna press it down into the glue. You're gonna press it down into the glue. This is the way to make your hair look natural, like it's coming out your scalp. And I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some more glue, because if the glue has dried, you need to go ahead and reapply some more. You want to kind of work fast with this part because you don't want the glue to dry and get tacky. If it gets tacky and it gets disturbed, it turns white and it gets all in your hair. You don't want that. Okay, you guys, so you want to place it right here. I put the glue right there, and you're going to place it right here, and then you're going to go ahead and tap with your comb, okay, you guys? You're going to tap with your comb. I've already did the other side. I'm going to go ahead and do this side. Okay, so let me go ahead and slow it down for you guys really quickly. So here's the track that I already started. We're just going to follow that curve. We're going to apply some more glue. Sorry for the facial expressions. Glue is really nasty. You're going to cut that right there at the top. Grab those scissors. Make sure you hold the hair really tight and good because you don't want to lose hair. You're going to cut it really straight. And if you have any flyaways, just cut that. Take it out. Dust all the excess hair off. And then right here, you're going to find out how to place that hair. You're going to kind of position it. You're going to kind of play with it. Make sure it's in your dominant hand, you guys. If it gets messy, cut it again. It's a repetition. Now I'm just going to find it. And I'm starting from the back, and I'm just pushing it upwards so it can stick. I'm pulling it upwards, tapping it upwards. You want to tap all ends from the front to the back, side to side, bring it on down, back, bang. No, just playing. Pulling it towards the front. If you gotta add glue, add more glue. Ladies, make sure to keep your comb clean. If there's any glue, pull the glue off. Keep your comb in your hands clean of the glue because you don't want it to stick to the hair and pull the hair off. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to tap a little bit right here in the front. I'm going to give myself some baby hairs. I'm going to try to. And I'm going to clean it up with some concealer. But we're all done, you guys. Let me go ahead and get that close up. And this is the side part of it. So this will be feathered. Like that. Okay? This is onyx hair. I went ahead and added a small clip of how I styled the hair. Some of the clip got lost, you guys, so unfortunately I wasn't able to show you the full cut with the feather bang. Sorry. Maybe next time. You know how this editing is. It's a little tricky. But y'all see that razor cut. It's bad. She gonna be bad. Watch what I tell you. Thanks for watching, ladies. Go ahead and subscribe. Don't be scared. It's a lace lay.